back to Nemo TV. This is me, Monica. I am so happy to be bringing you back with another video. I am going to be talking about the products that I've been loving in this lockdown. Lockdown has been very difficult for all of us. We are not stepping out of the houses. We are not going to the salon. So it was very important for me to take care of my skin. I always rely on my salon to take care of it, but this time I am bringing you guys a little bit of sneak peek to my skincare and the products that I've been loving in this lockdown. So yeah, let's get started. Okay, disclaimer, I am a PCOD patient. I am always breaking out. I always have acne. If I am not eating healthy, I am gaining weight. I have pimples and acne all over my face. So yeah, if you see these breakouts, these are because of my PCOD. These are my PCOD cystic acne. So yeah, these products are working a little bit towards making my skin better. So the first product that I have here is Mamaearth's Bye Bye Blemish Face Cream. Can you see that? Yes. So this has been improving the texture of my skin. The scars that I had on my skin, at least this is reducing the redness, the black spots that I have. This has been not working magically in 1-2 days. I've been using this since a month now, and then only I can say this, that there is a good product. I will recommend this to you guys. This has to be my favorite product in this lockdown. The next product that I have here with me is this charcoal mask. I ordered it out of Nykaa, and this has been my blackhead remover. I'm not getting any facials done. I am doing my home facials with a little bit of scrubbing, a little bit of cream, and this is my go-to face pack these days. I am using multani mitti, like ghar ka multani mitti that we get in a grocery store. I'm using that, and I'm using only this on my nose and my blackhead prone areas like these, and a little bit of this area. So yes, this has been helping me a lot, taking out my blackheads and removing the whiteheads on my pores. I have a lot of blackheads right now as well. So yeah, I am going to be using this. So the next skincare item that I have here with me is the hyaluronic acid sleeping mask by Bath and Body Works. This has been doing wonders while I'm shaving my face, and I am using this at night before I sleep. This has been keeping my skin soft and supple. I will definitely recommend you guys, if you have acne prone skin, this is a very good cooling agent for you guys. So yeah, please try it and let me know. And the other item that has been helping me to keep my skin good is this. This is the best lotion in a budget. This is only 128 rupees ka bottle for I think 60 ml of product, lactocalamine. This was recommended to me by a dermat long ago. I was not using it before. I started using it around 2 months back. I must say it feels a little cheap. When I take it out in my hand, it has this grainy texture, but it has been working good on my skin. So yeah, if it feels cheap, until unless it is working good on my skin, my acne prone skin, I will give this a 5 out of 5. So yes, the other product that I have with me has to be my baby lips. Okay, so I am a colorful lip balm girl, I should say. I like my lip balms to have a little bit of color in them, so that if I am running errands, I can just apply and leave. So yeah, this has been my favorite. This is not my lockdown favorite. This is like my favorite, all-time favorite, I should say. So yeah, this is the best lip balm. I know there are a lot of lip balms that are doing good, but this has been working for me. And the other product is this L'Oreal Schwarzkopf hair mask. Dude, this mask does wonders to your skin. I am loving this. Look at the texture of my hair. These are my natural hair. They are not air dried, they are not straightened, they are not curled. This is my natural hair texture. I am just taking care by using a little bit of mask before I go for my shampoo and conditioner. That's it. And this mask, this treatment is actually a treatment for colored hair. This has been doing wonders to my skin. I surely recommend you guys to please try this product. If you like it, tell me in my Instagram, and I'm going to do a giveaway of this. If you guys want to try this, please tell me on my Instagram so that I can give you away. And yes, this is the best hair mask. I'm loving it. So the next product that I have here with me, drum rolls please. These are my favorite pants. These are the most comfortable pair of leggings, pants, yoga pants, gym wear or lounge wear. I have been living in these pants all my lockdown. I have 3 pairs of these. These are by the brand Jockey. This has a pocket. This has a little bit of detail. These are ankle length pants. They are amazing quality. They are fully stretchable. They have a waist tie right here. You can tie it around as tight as you want, as loose as you want. You can run errands in them. Just wear a good top on it, a t-shirt, a graphic tee, you're sorted. I am living in these pants all my lockdown. 3 months, 3 pair of pants. They are torn, they are worn off. I'm gonna get a new one, but I am recommending this to you guys. All the plus size ladies, or I think any lady who wants to be comfortable, a black pant, this is it. I am been loving these. So I am going to be having all the links in the description box below. All the items that I showed you, these pants, all the skincare items that I showed you, I am going to be linking everything below. And please let me know in the comments down so that I can know that all of this has helped you as well. Or drop me a message on Instagram. Follow me there. If you are not following me there, please follow me. I'm very active there. I keep on updating new products if I like any. If you're a PCOD patient, you have a skin like me, you are trying to lose weight, you want some tips, please hop onto my Instagram. I will see you guys there. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel. If you like what I'm posting, if you want to see more of these videos, please let me know in the comments down below. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.